Good morning, children. We are dealing with lesson 5 games, and we have learnt about what are indoor games, what are outdoor games, what are group games, and which games we can play alone. Isn't it, children? And yesterday we have discussed about games as work, right? So, before we start the lesson, I am going to show you a few famous sports persons of our country. Let's have a look. Sachin Tendulkar. He is a cricketer. Saina Nehwal. Badminton. Vishwanath Anand. Chess player. Abhinav Bindra, shooter. Dhyan Chand, hockey player. Mary Kom, boxer. Yuvraj Singh, cricketer. Sushil Kumar, wrestler. Sania Mirza, tennis player. And PV Sindhu. She is a badminton player. The people who play sports are called sports persons. They play games or sports because they like to play them and they are good at the game. They know how to play the game very well. Now, children, open page number 28 in your content book. Read the sentences. Games as work. Some people play games for work to earn money. Look at the pictures of some famous sports persons. They play for India and make us proud. So here you can see Sachin Tendulkar, Sania Mirza, Bhutia and Vishwanath Anand. Hope you understood, children. The people who choose games or sports as their work really enjoy playing that game and they are very good at it. Sometimes these people play for their country. Then they are called national players. After they get old, some people choose to become coaches or mentors to teach the game to other people who love the game too. Here is a question, children. Is it important to play games? Yes, children. Playing games is fun. We also learn many things by playing games. We learn to think quickly and playing together. We learn how to listen to each other better so that we can play better. We learn to make friends because it is more fun to play with someone. Playing games also allows us to do exercise and keeps us fit. So, games are important. Isn't it, children? Games are important. Now it's a practice time. Open page number 32 in your workbook. Start with the date. Here you can see a box, children. There you have to draw your favorite game. For example, you like cricket. So you can draw bat and ball. Okay, in the same way. The second question is, write the name of your favorite game. In the box you have to draw, and here you have to write the name of the game. In that A, can you play it indoor or outdoor? So write if it is indoor game, you can write indoor. If it is outdoor game, you can write outdoor game. And B, is it a group game or can you play it alone? So you can write, children, whether that is a group game or you can play it alone. And the third question is, how do you play your favorite game? Here you can describe your favorite game, children. You can write how many minimum participants must be there for the game, and if it is a group game, you may have discussions among the people, right? So that discussion also you can write, and you can write what are the materials you need to play the game. Okay, children, now it's our last question. Why is it your favorite game? Do this worksheet, children. Thank you for watching the video. Take care.